Okay, so for number 5, we're going to be solving this equation 2 different ways. The first way I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all of my decimals. So let me rewrite my equation first. And the way I'm going to do that, I have to think about what I'm trying to do. So I'm trying to get this coefficient in front of my x. I'm trying to get it to not be a decimal. So in order to do that, I'll think about place value. Well, if I think about place value, then I know that my 2 is in the tens place. So what I can do to get rid of the decimals here is I can just multiply both sides of my equation by 10 because it's in the tens place. So it'll effectively get rid of that decimal. So I will distribute everything inside the parentheses. I'll distribute 10 to everything inside the parentheses and just make it 10 times bigger. So 10 times x is 10x plus 10 times 0.7 is just going to be 7. And then 10 times 1 is 10 minus 10 times 0.2x is 2x. And then I can just solve it like normal. I'll move all of my variables to one side and all of my constants to the other. So I have this. And I move my 7 to the other side. X is equivalent, 12x is equivalent to 3. So that means that x will be equivalent to 1/4. And we need to make sure that it's correct on the other side, or the other way that I choose to do it as well. And the other way, I'll just do follow my save my soul, and I'll move and solve. All right, so again, let me rewrite. So I'll go ahead and move all of my variable terms to the left side. Oops, 0.2x. Okay, so 1 equals 0.7 plus 1.2x. And then I'll move my constants on the other side. So 1.2x is equivalent to 0.3. And finally, I'll divide both sides by 1.2. Remember, you can use your calculator through this. It'll definitely help you out, so you don't have to try to do long division. And then x is equal to 0.3 divided by 1.2, which is also 1/4. So we are correct, and we've solved it 2 different ways. One way is we made everything bigger by distributing 10 to both sides, and the other way we just solved using save my soul. So the first way was distribute, and the second way was save my soul. And that's it for number 5.